I'm back there. Maybe we're gonna have to come after this one again. Just outline this. Let me use it. Look at mine. I'm gonna put some glossiness on it. So pretty. Glossiness is gonna make it better. Here's some glossiness. It looks purple. It's gonna make it glossy and pretty. My fifth one. Good. After monkey bars. Okay, let me put this on. Fell on my finger. I'm done. Let me show my mommy and my nanny. Bye bye.